why is it called the utopia of blissful experiences? The answers lie here. Because the culture of Orissa greets you at the doorsteps, rolling out the red carpet to the wow world of Swosti, the soul of India. Because we open our arms with affection to present you the moments of a lifetime. There are smiles floating with the roars of the surf. There lies some unsaid, but most felt speculations. The breeze out here sways you along to fragrance your senses. In the midst of foliage, breathe some homely emotions disguised as this architectural masterpiece. Also because here you peep down into your conscious and relive some exotic glimpses of life. Because here, every wall has a story to tell you, every artifact has a history to unfold, and every room has an elegant comfort to serve you. It cycles you back to the tender age. Here you behold the cosmos in your eyes and create some cherishable frames. These are splashes of drinks and wines. The budding minds can play their childhood around. So come, let's explore the unseen culture. Let's row down to the kingdom of water and create a mesmerizing world of your own. Here, connect your peace with silent worlds of the water. Touch the blooms and the blossoms. Raise your spirits because passion lives here. So let's decorate, enlighten, and celebrate the pious forever knot between you and Swosti.